Well, we are on the road. As you can tell, my voice is gone. We'll see how long it lasts for this video, so don't make fun of me too much. Hopefully you can hear this with the wind around me. We're driving to Morocco and we're on the road to go see 2 new listings coming to our website. An old Camaro, real nice, as well as an old Corvette. So 2 new listings coming to OpposingCylinders.com. So we're gonna check out these cars. You're gonna see more of the cars today than you are hearing me because my voice is just gone. So hopefully it comes back and I'll try not to use it too much, but stay tuned for what we're gonna be sharing on OpposingCylinders.com. If you'd like to list your vehicle, check out our website. Check our 3 different listing options: basic, premium, and premium plus. Give us a call, send us an email, send us a message if you have any questions. We'd love to be able to help you out. So we'll show you the 2 vehicles here in just a moment. I'll show you an amazing house here on the right. I think this is where this one house is. We're in a very nice neighborhood. We're just taking a little ride here through this beautiful neighborhood before we get to the house. We're a few minutes early. I try to do everything early. I learned that in business a long time ago. Never be late. I'm usually 10 to 15 minutes early. If I'm late, there's a problem. There's a reason why I'm late. So I try to never be late to anything. So if you're ever looking to do anything business-wise, or if you have been in business, always show up early. Well, it was a great ride into Morocco. Let's take a look inside this garage and see what we're going to be listing. We got a Camaro, RS Camaro 67, and a Corvette. I want to say it's a 65, I can't remember. I'm terrible with knowing the side scoops and everything, but real nice cars. Both have been repainted. We'll get these outside and show you here in a minute. But these are now coming to the website, OpposingCylinders.com, and super slick cars. So check out OpposingCylinders.com for both of these coming up. Again, we'll get these outside. We'll show you both of these cars running and get a little bit better look at them out here. Well, quick and easy on there. Got both those cars, photos coming to the website. By the time you see this video, these will be on the website. So if they're still on there, then that's great. But I think we'll be priced aggressively. And those are two very nice drivers. Not show cars, but very nice drivers that someone should be able to hop in and really enjoy driving those cars. So we appreciate you watching. This was a quick and easy video. I'm just gonna drive a little bit, but since my voice is done and gone and I sound like a squeaky little squirrel here, I'm gonna say goodbye. Check out the website. We'll see you on the road here in the next episode. And weather permitting, we're gonna be in Nashville here in a few weeks, and we're going to be showing you content at the Good Guys Nashville show. So we're looking forward to being there. So hopefully it's good weather, and the goal is to be in a 413 coupe. I've only driven the car once or twice since we got it back, so I need to get some more miles on that car so we feel really comfortable. If all else fails, we'll go to Old Trusty here, hop in the Murrock, and we'll be driving that car all around Nashville. So until the next episode, give us a thumbs up if you like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and we greatly appreciate you watching today's episode.